Gold technical analysis for trading in this week. Gold is still oscillating within that broad range between 40,100 and 5,000. As we discussed previously, we were looking for a pullback, specifically a reaction that could eventually push us back toward the 5,000 mark. However, my preference leans toward a deeper retracement into the lower part of this zone. There is a real possibility that price drops into the 4,400 to 4,500 area before we see a true bullish turn. In fact, we can't rule out a deep hunt below the pivot, potentially tagging 4,300 to clear out liquidity before the actual move up begins. So from a bullish perspective, we're looking for a move, but ideally after a more significant correction. Now on the flip side, the bearish scenario is simple. If we drop, pull back to the 4,500 level and fail to make a new high, we'll likely see a breakdown toward the lower floors. Looking closer at the current structure, the pullback is holding price for now, and we're seeing a potential reversal pattern. If we look at the 4,400 to 4,500 zone, this could be forming a head and shoulder structure. You could argue the pattern has already triggered, and right now, we're just seeing the pullback to that reversal. This is a defensible scenario. That price starts its upward rotation right from here. Dropping down to the 1 hour time frame, we see the left shoulder and the head clearly. Price moved up with strong momentum, hit resistance, and has since retraced. One view is that it continues straight up from here. Another view, the one I'm watching, is a deeper move toward 4,600 before finding support. You need to decide which side you're on. If you're leaning bearish, look for entries around 47.20 on these pullbacks to short it back down. But if you're looking for the buy setup, keep the higher time frame context in mind and wait for the specific conditions we discussed to engineer your long position. Have a great trading week, everyone.